Hello student, welcome back in Unix and Cell programming classes. In last session, we see some regular expression which are used with the grep command. Regular expression, BRE, basic regular expression. That are some basic expression which is specially used in grep only. Now, same as basic regular expression, today we show some extended regular expression which is used only with the grep and set command in Unix. Let us see how to use extended regular expression. These are the different expression which are used in grep, but when you are using extended regular expression with grep, then you can use minus capital E option with the grep command. Then and then only it will allow to use extended regular expression. Now, first of all, we just list out which kind of expression you can use with grep minus E option. Now, first is plus operator. Now, this plus operator is used to match one or more occurrences of a previous character. So, for example, over here, CH plus. So that means CH is one of the character. So it will match one or more occurrences of that particular character. For example, if I can write A and plus, then it is used to match A single A, 2 times A, 3 times A, 4 times A only. It's just like a basic regular expression star. Same way, the next operator, that is question mark. This question mark is used to match 0 or 1 occurrences of the character of the previous character. Only 0 or 1 occurrences, that is a question mark. Then next is expression 1 pipe sign expression 2. That means over here it will match two different expression in a single pattern, because between these two expression we have to write pipe sign. So pipe sign is used to match these two different expression with grep minus E, capital E. Next is, for example, expression 1 का ही example है. Over here I want to match GIF file and JPEG file. So it will write like this, GIF pipe sign JPEG. So it will match GIF as well as JPEG. GIF जितनी भी फाइल मिलेगी वो भी डिस्प्ले करेगा, JPEG फाइल मिलेगी वो भी डिस्प्ले करेगा. So this is an example of expression 1 pipe expression 2. Same way, after the pipe sign, next is a bracket. It will match like this. In the bracket, I can write x1 pipe x2. So it will match like x1, x3, x2, x3. That means के जैसा हम mathematical operation solve करते हैं वैसे ही x1 it match with x3 and x2 is also match with x3. Let us see just example. Over here I can write in a bracket lock pipe sign word and bracket over. So these two are the different word which is matched with this common word wood. So it is matched like lock wood and were wood. It is just an example of this expression, lock wood and were wood. So extended regular expression are like plus, that is match one or more characters. Then question mark, that is match 0 or 1 character. Pipe sign, it is used for match two pattern differently. Bracket is used to match some common pattern, some part of the common pattern. Now let us see some examples of this extended regular expressions. The extended regular expression are defined by ERE and basic regular expression are defined by BRE. These two different expressions are only used with grep and set. That is a special filter command. When you are using extended regular expression with grep, then it is compulsory to use minus capital E option. If you don't use minus capital E option, then you can use egrep instead of grep command. There is two different options which is used by Unix for matching some extended regular expression. One is grep with using capital E option, otherwise you can use egrep. But when you are using egrep, at that time you cannot write this minus E option. Now, next, the first two operators, that is plus and question mark. The plus is used to match one or more occurrences of the previous character. So it is like A plus, then it will match A 2 times, A 3 times, like that. See over here. I can write B plus, so it will match a previous characters like B, single B, double times B, triple times B, 4 times B, like that. But it doesn't match B and then any other character, B, C, A, तो वो मैच नहीं होगा. Just B लिखा होगा तो मैच होगा, 2 times B, 3 times B लिखा होगा तो मैच होगा. Same way, the next operator is the question mark. It will match 0 or 1 occurrences of the previous character. So it is like that B question mark. Then it will match a single instance of B. सिर्फ ये B को ही मैच करेगा और वो भी सिंगल इंस्टेंस होगा तो, एक ही बार होगा तो, otherwise it will match nothing. अगर 2 times B लिखा, so it will match 2 times B. For example, over here I can write B, then second time B and question mark. So in some different pattern, B is coming like 2 times or 1 time, then the question mark is used over here. Now see over here, I can use extended regular expression like grep minus capital E, and I can match this Agrawal spelling from where G is coming 2 times and G is coming only 1 time. So it is like 2 times G and question mark over here, capital A and small a, 2 times G and question mark. So 2 times G होगा वो तो मैच होगा ही, पर सिर्फ एक टाइम होगा वो भी मैच होगा, क्योंकि it will match a 0 or 1 occurrence. Okay, so that's why it will match this Agrawal as well, and it will match this 2G like this. Okay, fine. So this plus and question mark is used to match a particular pattern. Now the next is two different options like pipe and bracket. What is the use of pipe? It is used as a delimiter of the multiple pattern, and this bracket is used for a group of pattern. So just example is like that, grep minus E, and I can use Sen-Gupta, Das-Gupta, emp.lst. What is the meaning of that? It will display the output which contains Sen-Gupta spelling and Das-Gupta spelling as well. Both the pattern it will match. Same way I can write, see over here, Gupta is a common. So I can write the common word over here out of the bracket, and some two different words with use the pipe sign Sen and Das. So it will match Sen-Gupta as well as Das-Gupta from this emp.lst file with the use of this extended regular expression. So in Unix, with using grep and set, you can use this 4 different operator as a extended regular expression. Plus, which is used to check one or more occurrences of the previous character. Question mark, which is used to check 0 or 1 occurrences of the previous character. Same way, the delimiter, pipe sign, which is used to match a multiple patterns, and bracket, which is used to match a group of pattern, and it will match with some common pattern. Fine, all of you? Are you getting this extended regular expression with grep? So from the next session, we will start the sed, S-E-D, sed command. Okay. So grep is used for matching a pattern. In the same way, sed is a stream editor. So in the next session, we learn how to use sed in Unix. Sed is a one kind of command. It is a spatial filter command, just like grep. Fine, all of you? Okay, bye.